Hello everyone, welcome back to the Logging It channel. Today for this video, I will be showing you how you can download the Outlook application for your mobile device. So first open the Google Play Store. Once you open the Play Store, on the search bar you type in Outlook and tap on search. You can see the application on the very top. Tap upon that. It's the Microsoft Outlook. You tap on install and now the downloading process of the Outlook has begun. Outlook is a personal information manager web app from the Microsoft. Outlook keeps you connected and protected with your secure email, calendar and files in one app. It is a free personal email service from Microsoft that does not scan your email for the purpose of serving you. Outlook lets you bring all your email accounts and calendar in one convenient stop, whether it's staying on top of your inbox or scheduling the next big event. You can see here the application has been fully installed, downloaded. Now you just need to tap on open, and with that you have successfully downloaded and installed the Microsoft Outlook account application for yourself. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe to the Logging It channel, and also don't forget to click on bell icon for the notification and updates. Thank you.